Dozens of juvenile green tree pythons are smoothly conveyed along the track before the robotic arm initiates the transfer to the scanning platform.
The sonic sensor measures the snake's stress indicators. The AI assigns a high display.
The mechanical micrograbber lifts the translucent skin, immediately transferring it to the stabilization solution to maintain its structural integrity. Stabilized python skins enter the Process B cryo facility, where robotic automation ensures precise labeling and full traceability.
Embedded thermal elements precisely regulate the perch temperature. This consistency, monitored by robotic. This sophisticated feeding system ensures optimal growth. We are now entering the primary manufacturing.
The ultrasonic device scans the python, emitting a calibrated frequency for a high-gloss finish.
This Ontogenetic color stabilization, the AI, the UV light.
Inspection complete. The specimen shows flawless scales and perfect eye caps. Adjusting humidity parameters for the next cycle.
This is standards. This controlled exposure is a key component of Process A, ensuring the long-term vibrancy required for a
Check the projection for sector gamma 9. We have a significant deviation in feeding response.
Acknowledged. Initiating immediate caloric adjustment and robotic observation.
This final temperament check confirms the success of Process A's behavioral conditioning, ensuring the specimen is stable for display.
The final step of Process A, archiving all documentation for the green tree python specimens.
Retrieval is complete. All vessels secured for Process B.
Confirmed. Moving to the thawing sequence.
As the drums rotate, ensuring uniform cleaning, the worker monitors the pH level, optimizing the environment for Process B. Pressure is stable at 3 bar.
Initiating agent injection sequence now. Monitor the temperature spike.
The skins are neutralized with alkaline solutions. High-speed jets of purified water ensure complete.
Humidity levels are stable, holding at 40%.
Good. Process B parameters confirmed. The infrared is doing its job.
Here in the Process B warehouse, the scale of production is evident. The successful completion of the industrial sequence
Scanning manifest now. Everything matches.
Seal integrity confirmed. Ready for transport.
The final presentation to the consumer market emphasizes the aesthetic value and exotic origin of the emerald green python leather.
The transaction is approved. Here is your wallet.
Thank you very much.
The emerald green python leather represents the pinnacle of luxury, a testament to the transformation from byproduct to collector's item.